it's Faith, Prose's Director of Education and your guide to healthy hair. In this video, we will be continuing the discussion on our scalp health, introducing Prose's pre-shampoo scalp mask and the benefits of incorporating it into your wash routine. In order to set you up for a better understanding of your scalp health, let's take a look at the difference between our scalp versus our skin. Our scalp has 10 to 15 times more hair follicles and 20 to 40 times more sebum on the surface than our skin. It also contains up to 2 times faster cell renewal than our skin and a more acidic pH, and has a completely different ecosystem of bacteria and yeast. So it's pretty safe to say that our scalp truly needs different care than the rest of our body. Today, many factors can adversely impact our scalp and consequently our hair health. But this product right here can target up to 7 of your biggest scalp concerns. These concerns include detoxifying, flakes, soothing, sebum, loss of density, microbiome, and intense repair. Depending on your formula, yours can appear either pink or charcoal gray. Both formulas contain French pink clay, kaolin clay, and jojoba beads to gently exfoliate and cleanse the scalp while remaining soft and soothing. Our scalp mask also contains complementary pre and probiotics to help balance the scalp microbiome and keep it healthy. Typical usage is once a week, but for those with a really sensitive scalp, it can be used as often as twice a week. When applying this mask, you will notice a light, gentle foam appear once you begin to massage. This is the activation of the jojoba beads working its magic on the surface while helping you guide the product easily through the roots. Our scalp mask is customized with a selection of effective ingredients respectful of the scalp microbiome and is free from alcohols and perfume fragrance, silicones, and leaves no lingering residue behind. Thanks for watching. Do you use a scalp mask in your weekly wash routine? Let us know in the comments below and visit prose.com/blog to learn best practices on applying your scalp mask at home.